Hey, Skelly.
Dumbest name on YouTube.
So these are the window washers at work. That's not the most exciting video I've ever shot, but it's kind of neat watching them work from the outside. I tried to wait for them to come across my window so I could get them, sliding past, doing my window from the inside, but I didn't get around to it till after 5, and I took off today at 5. So.